More than 60 years ago, the architect Richard Neutra, in his book Survival Through Design, encouraged architects to give up the pure aesthetics of a bygone brand of speculation in order to explore the physiological underpinnings of how the human organism engages with the built environment. He believed that the very survival of the human species was in peril, in part because we have not rigorously explored the relationship between the built environment and human health, behavior, and welfare. Neutra's warning was overshadowed in the 1960s by the various strategies that were drafted into the architectural discourse, and with the collapse of these aesthetic strategies in the 1990s, architecture once again became unmoored. Architectural practice still lacks a viable theoretical foundation, and we remain wedded to social, cultural, and biological viewpoints that are largely antiquated. Designers have yet to take notice of the remarkable upheaval that has overtaken the humanities and sciences over the last 2 decades. Biologists are beginning to understand the effect of environments on cellular and endocrine systems. Neuroscientists are beginning to discern the complexity of human perceptual and emotional systems. Today, we have a much better understanding of human evolution, and anthropologists and philosophers have put forth new co-evolutionary models. We are beginning to see that our perceptual engagement with the environment, including the built environment, is enacted as a multisensory whole organism experience. Implicit in this view is the idea that architectural design is a process by which minds, bodies, built environments, and cultures interact with each other in a developmental process on multiple levels over the course of generations. One principle drawn from the biological field of niche construction guides us in this regard. Just as we design our built environments, so do our built environments design who we are. It is time that we as designers begin to draw upon these insights and make changes in how we think about design. We must move beyond the designed object and begin to reflect on the human experience of it, that is, our aesthetic, emotional, and existential well-being. Herein lies the future of design.